continue to shape and craft the film
Alright,
in a way that's
it's
fresh and
already
new,
started.
but still authentic to the spirit of the game. Look for more exciting updates
I
soon.
wanted to do better. I'm on the wrong account, god damn it. There we go. Okay. Turn my thingy on. I just missed the Minecraft movie bit. Unfortunately, I would have got it. Google decided to lock me out of the whole account. So, and I was just gone spending the whole day out in Bristol. I never do that. I never leave the house. I forgot it was today, and it's also my brother's birthday. That was mostly why. But it's decided to lock me out of every single account I own. And I'm not watching this at the moment. But they haven't shown the creaking yet. So, I hope they haven't shown the creaking at least. I'm pretty sure they haven't. Oh, for God's sake. So I shouldn't be behind anything. Alright.
This is the story of a village attacked by zombies, and it's your quest to go out and save them.
Switch profile, whatever.
We have 17-foot projection.
What's going on
walls
here?
you can interact with your
I wasn't watching it, oh no.
do things like fight our mobs, chop down trees, collect those resources, everything that you do in the game, only this time you've stepped inside it.
Oh, so it's like
This is
Nintendo
an
Land
experience where you're gonna
thing.
see, feel, and hear what it's like to be in Minecraft.
To be completely honest, I don't really care about
The
anything
world premiere is in
but
Dallas,
the
Fort
creaking.
Worth, and then we'll see where we go. Head to the website and tell us where you want to see the Minecraft experience.
And now it's time to reveal our completely new drop, releasing in a few months.
Oh.
The team has been really excited about the idea of adding a new biome. And we
Okay, I don't really care about the biome. I've kind of already seen that through the leaks. But we'll see it. This is Ancestry. I know this
During
music.
daytime, it's quiet, like almost serene in the new Pale Garden.
Yeah, it is what's shown in the leak.
When you might
Damn
be
it.
calm walking around in this forest, there's also an eerie mood. Something isn't quite right. Then, when darkness falls, you indeed feel another side of this place. Like the hanging moss shifts from being pretty to really spooky, and you realize that you're not alone. There's something lurking in the shadows.
So everything about this biome feels unfamiliar, and this is by design.
It's like
we want you to.
I have
feel
made a biome.
curious
Like I've made
and-
one
and
biome ever
scared,
before.
Like, what is this place?
Apart from the
Why
cave
is it so
stuff.
different from everything
And
else?
it kind of just
What
looks
we
like
needed
this
for the
anyway.
biome is to have like a low visibility.
Like, it's
and
snowy
we've created
swamps.
The pale hanging moss for this. This really inhibits like how much you can see and how far you can see, but you can still walk through it. So you're traversing through the forest and you're like trying to find everything, but you don't know what will be behind the hanging moss.
What? You can look through it. You can
gives you kind
visibly
of a strange
see
feeling when you enter.
past it.
It's unnaturally quiet and a feeling of something.
Like, this is just
is going on
vines.
here.
Like, I don't know if you can climb them, but I assume you can't, because otherwise it would just be vines.
The ambiance of the new biome. It invokes really those eerie and
I'm not really feeling the new
Eerie
stuff.
indeed. And turns out
Why do I
there
have a warning?
actually
What's
is
going on?
something lurking in the shadows.
Oh, there it is.
Creaking.
Okay, yeah.
First tree-like creature, and it's almost like it's camouflaging in the pale garden. And when it's dark at night, it's kind of hard to see it, except those like elusive.
Alright,
and
so
it also interacts with those trees, which is super fun.
Yeah,
I'll get open a little notepad to write what I need to do.
When
It's
you approach the creaking, you can
What the hell?
actually realize that it doesn't take any damage, and when you try to hit it, it points
no
you
damage,
somewhere
that's
in
easy,
the
I
hand.
just don't need to
That's
code in
where
damage.
basically the creaking part is, and that's what controls the mod.
Oh wait, what?
One of the main themes of the Pale Garden and its inhabitants is that there's a lot of contrast from the rest of the world. So when we made the creaking, we also
Did I miss
wanted it to
something?
feel unfamiliar and different from
with the
other
heart?
mobs, which is why we made it more asymmetric, to really go on this point of like being different from everything else.
Okay, kind
The
of goofy.
creaking doesn't exist on its own. It's
What?
more of like a puppet of the new block, the creaking heart.
So the Creaking Heart and its
Oh.
Creaking Puppet really comes with a new combat challenge or combat mechanic, both in the way that you need to destroy
What, you
the
just
heart
break a block?
to actually kill the
Okay.
creaking, and also of course that the creaking only moves when you look away.
So don't blink.
Yeah, I thought so.
I really
So,
like the
take
sandboxiness of the
certain
Creaking
block
Heart. So
to
you use
kill,
Silk, you obtain it, and then
and-
you can place it anywhere you want in the Minecraft world. So if you want to be as evil as the Creaking Heart itself, you can place it and make your friends really terrified.
Okay.
To embrace the quietness of Minecraft, we added ambient sounds for this biome that only plays during the night, that comes from the blocks that surrounds you.
I don't really care about this.
And that will make an even more creepier experience for the player.
Maybe I
To
record
do
sound
that,
effects for fun,
You need
but
to play with the silence and the contrast of the silence and the sounds. So to make creaking, I gathered a lot of creaky stuff that will make creaky sounds. Obviously, the biggest thing would be to gather.
That's not how that song
wood
goes.
and twigs and stuff
Come
like
on.
that, dead leaves to get rustling and creaking. But I also recorded salty sticks, the Swedish snack. I think it's Swedish. And one of the biggest part actually of the sound is my table creaking, dragging against the floor, and also a chair.
still not how the song goes.
Also
What's this
recorded.
remix?
It sounds a bit like
Come on, I just want to listen to
bones,
Pickstep.
maybe, when the mob is walking. So
Oh.
it's a
What do you mean by teeth? Oh, okay.
Oh.
So we wanted to make the biome very
Is there anything
gray
I've missed?
to give this
Is
very
this all
eerie
it is?
feeling, right? And with these gray tones, a very fitting new wood set was going to be a white colored wood set. And this is something that players have wanted for a long time.
Yeah, I'm super excited for the...
And,
of
yeah, cool
wood
new
set,
blocks,
especially
whatever.
In a lot of places, people paint their fences white, for example, for a white picket fence. And that will be exciting for a lot of players to actually represent themselves.
And then we also have like
Hanging moss. That's
and
kind of
you
already a
can roll
thing.
it, so it's renewable.
Like-
And so I think like just bringing it as well, and maybe put it in a greenhouse and things.
I feel like
hang
that's
on the
not
roof,
new.
or like a wild garden.
I know it is technically a new
Something
feature,
like that would be really
but
fun to build with it, I think.
Yeah, and it's also a really unique carpet moss. Because
I
it's
think
also
I'm just going to keep this in the
all
background
over
and
sides
start
of the
with
blocks,
the thing.
And that's also looks really great.
Can I download
We
a
look for a lot
speedrun
of
timer?
inspiration, so we've looked at all these kind of different forests. all over
I
the
should have
world.
done this beforehand.
Tree that stood out was,
Is
like,
this
the
really
willow
easy to
tree,
do?
Like, 'cause it's very
Uh,
hanging, there's
download,
like
download.
drapery, and it feels
Download.
very eerie.
Go on.
Then we looked at like Spanish moss.
I
This
also
was,
should
like,
probably be listening to this, but I think that's all
used
the
biome,
creaking is really gonna be.
Because this gives this like drapey feeling without being willow trees, and it was a little bit more
Uh,
versatile, and flexible to use in the biome.
Live
It
split
could
like
also be
Dixie.
used as like building blocks.
Yes.
We are super excited to see what you
I-
do with
there it
these
is.
new features and the new game drop.
We want to create
How do I start
connections
it?
between features because the Minecraft
Come on.
world is
How do I start you?
and we really want it to feel like that.
Open
And the
split.
Creaking Heart and its puppet creating, they really
no, I
have
just
a
want to
new
start it.
way of creating this kind of connection. So it's gonna be really fun to see you all experiencing it. And
Settings,
it's coming
start
to
numpad
snapshots,
1.
previews and betas very soon. So
Okay.
soon, you can
So-
all try it out.
Villager number 9 here. Sorry for interrupting.
Oh,
but villager number 15 and I have
where's
just escaped
my
from the spooky
data
forest.
packs?
And I'd just like to state,
That would be a
like I
good
said
place to
earlier,
start.
that I was right.
Oh, I've already got
There
it.
is, in fact, a monster
There we
in the
go.
woods that
Okay.
looks like wood and sounds like wood. What? That's a lie. You didn't believe that at all. Many didn't believe me. But in my heroic foray into the spooky forest, I, villager
Okay,
number 9, single-handedly
copy
discovered
paste
the
that.
creature that I shall
Rename
now name
to Creaking.
Crunching. It's called a creaking. It literally just said its name. Maybe I should go into Monster Hunter. I'm clearly very good at it. Villager number 9, Monster
Shut up.
Hunter.
I never liked Villager News, I'll be honest. I might be a fraud.
Stick around with us for the
close.
first ever
New
playthrough
one.
of the Pale Garden in our after show.
Was this all?
Starting in
Was that all
just a
it
few
was?
moments, our developers will take us on a deeper
That was
dive
like
through
10,
the new game drop
20
as we
minutes.
bravely explore this new
Okay.
biome together.
Anyway,
These new game drops can be played
that
in
wasn't the right
betas
thing,
and
was it?
snapshots soon, and will release to everyone in the next few months. We
Uh,
hope you're as excited as us about everything happening in the world of Minecraft. Minecraft wouldn't be what
I'll
it
just
is
do it through
today
files. God
without
damn it,
all
my
of you.
VSC never
From
wants to
all of
work
us
when I
at
need it
Loading
to.
Studios, a huge thank you.
I'll just copy and paste that. Rename it to Creaking. Oh, we already made it. God damn it, I just didn't see it. Okay. Creaking, there it is, yeah. I need to rename that to Creaking. I'm doing kind of the least important.
We're excited you're joining us for the after
Shut up. We're doing actual. That's a copyrighted song. Let's not play that. Chill stream. There we go. I only have chill music. I don't have like. I want to go fast, but I don't have fast music. So I've got my music off, and you can hear it. Okay. So first thing, we need to make the actual model. And this will all be through datapacks. With block displays. If I could find a good image of the creaking, that would be great. Of course, that's not gonna work. Creaking Minecraft. Oh, we have terrible images of it because it just came out. I'd be better off just taking my own screenshot. Okay.
Like this guy right here.
Creaking.
Yeah, and
It was only shown for like a minute, wasn't it? God damn it. Oh, that might be it.
So the
Yeah,
creaking
get a
heart
bit of a
and
better shot.
creaking
Come on.
puppet, really comes with a
Come
new
on.
drawing the heart block to actually
a shot.
kill the creaking, and also of course that the creaking only
I need to see the
moves when
creaking.
you look away,
Go on.
So don't blink.
except those like
I might just make it out of wood. I mean, it is literally made out of wood, so that wouldn't be that cool. Hang on. Yeah, my music's playing. Good. Allow commands on. I normally do this in Super Flat World. I forgot to set that up, and I'm not going to fix it. Where's my split gone? God damn it. I'm gonna make a new window capture for a second. Window capture, add new light split. There we go. Just move that on top of that. So now it shows when I'm on this page. Okay. So I also do want my reference image. I kind of didn't get that, did I? I would like a bit more than that. Oh, that looked like it. Go back a bit. There we go. Turn off subtitles. Copy paste. And I'll just chuck that. Where's File Packer? There you are. Over there. And like, I guess I'll have it like this. And then Minecraft over here. Okay. That's a terrible image of it, but it should work for what I want. Just zoom out a bit. Alright. At the moment, the wood that looks the most like that is that one, I reckon. No, acacia. It looks like acacia. I realise it will have its own block. I don't care about that at the moment. For now, we're using acacia. Summon, block display, bloop. Kill, block display. Summon block display, bloop, bloop, bloop. Do I remember how block displays work? I should know this. Block state, it should be. I've worked with so many block displays in the past. I hate how I can't know it. It's block state. Is it item? no, it's name. Name equals acacia wood. I think there might be a... Oh no, I got it. Great. Okay. Kill the blocks display so I can... And I'm going to do this all in command blocks. So I can undo stuff. So... Let's get this back. Name acacia wood. Tags equals... we'll start with the body. I am blocking the reference image. There we go. Slash give button. I should make it over at, like over here at -134. That's a weird spawn. 76 minus 397. What the hell is this seed? Why did it spawn me all the way over here? Oh well. Kill block display. And spawn it over there. Okay. So I'd say it's been a while since I did the custom mob. The way I normally do it is summon a marker, interaction entity actually, tags equals, it's a creaker mover. And what this does is it centers all of the other stuff. So I can move that and it moves everything else. If I give myself, I'm not sure why I did that. Which says execute as at E tag equals creaker mover. At S run TP at E tag equals creeper boop boop boop. And I didn't tag that as creaker, did I? Creaker. There we go. Okay, that's there. There we go. So ideally we want that. Are those legs 2 blocks high? I think those legs are 2 blocks high, so this has to be at a translation of like 3, right? Slash data modify entity at execute as at E tag equals body at S, doesn't really need that bit, but whatever. Data modify entity at S up E bit translation. It's something before translation. God damn it. I haven't done this in a while, I'll be honest. I don't think I've made a custom mob since like season 1 of Yatsvask, which probably doesn't mean anything to most people. Data modify at S transformation dot translation set value for now go 0 3 0. That feels way too tall, but is that a block there? If that there is a block, then it's 2 blocks high. But that doesn't look right. I think it might be because it's supposed to be 2 instead. What? Kill all the blocked players. Restart it. Don't type that. that could be a chain. I don't actually know how chain blocks work. Not like that. Great. Okay. Okay. Boop. How do I normally do this? It's not normally like that. There we go. That seems a bit more reasonable, I think. I believe it was that tool. I think it also needs to be... Oh wait, that's a hole there. So it's like 3 bits. Right? And where's the second leg attached? I wish I had a clearer image. Honestly, there might just be one on the stream right now. Because, yeah. Let's...
Okay.
Okay, there's another one.
Okay.
So
That works. No it doesn't. Not really. I need it
Only are
to
they
be
linked
more
with-
facing. Come on. What?
It's right there.
it's
Back. Oh, that's a terrible image. Okay, whatever. Is it two? Is it 1, 2, 3? Is that what this is? I think so. So this should be body 1 going up there. I need a kill command. I was not planning to do a stream today, I'll be honest. Kill Ati, because I completely forgot that this was happening. Block display. Okay. Is my... No, I thought I left the stream running. Okay. No, that was the one. Kill command. Why doesn't it work? I put tag instead of type. God damn it. Okay. So, summon that. Give it like 0.5 translation, I think. And then F. Is that a comma? God damn it. Okay, boop, boop, boop. It needs to be negative. Okay, that's better. That's now centered. For now, we'll leave it like that. We'll do the legs. So tags equals legs. Comma left leg. I did just realize that text is covering what I'm doing. There we go. Left underscore leg for consistency. And that one's got to be 0, 0. Honestly, probably just 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? I'll leave that code in again for consistency, but it should just be that. And then we want scale. Transformation.scale. And this should be really short. Really big, but really short. So it's 2, 0.2, 0.2. There's a dot there. That looks right. Might be a bit bigger. This is such a bad image, I swear to God. Like there, right? think that's what I see. I'm gonna say that's right. Maybe slightly bigger, I'll go 0.3, 0.3. Boop, boop, boop. Why am I using buttons for that? I can just do that every tick. Slash, game rule, command block output, false. Okay. And then for the left leg, it should be exactly the same. Oh, wait. This was the left leg already. I just forgot to do this. Left leg. Kill them all, restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no reason for that to have a button. I don't know if I like it. I'll put it, translate it a bit to the left, which is that one. And a bit backwards as well. And I think that one needs to be a bit thinner, which is a whole new block. Change left leg to body. And change transformation.scale to that one, sure. Oh, that was stupid. Try again. Where did you go? Oh, for God's sake. Restart everything. Boop, boop. I want that one. No. And boop. For God's sake. Okay. Boop, boop. And this is transformation scale. Let's get the body. 0.5. I just want the outie to be a bit smaller. 1. I need it to be a bit thicker than that. 5. 1. Does that work? This is such a bad image. I swear to God. There's got to be a better one.
And then each time...
No, you're showing something else now. Oh wait, is the live stream over already? I don't really care. Okay. Is that the left leg? Yeah. I'll just copy and paste all of this and change left to right. I don't think I even need to animate a walking cycle, to be honest. It only moves when you don't look at it, so I'm not sure if I'm really going to do that. I imagine it probably moves if you're in F5 when you look at it, but I don't really care. Right leg. Right leg. Equals right leg. Okay. And let's... I didn't actually change the translation, did I? Minus. There we go. And that's not quite right. -5. There we go. Now this bit looks very wrong. He just kind of looks like a baby. So I need a better image than that. Honestly, I think the best image I can think of that I can get really quickly, Creaking Minecraft leak, because I know there was a leaked image. Not really giving me good examples of that leaked image. There we go. Oh, I hate how it does that. Copy image. Okay. It's a bit color contrasted, but well, the colors aren't accurate at the moment anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, no, I was very wrong with the legs. That's kind of a bad thing to be wrong with. It's one high at most. Transformation height 1. But it does look like it's just not, that leg's just not connected to the rest of the body. I'm not sure if I'm wrong there. That might be like a dangling thingy. Slash time set day. Either way, if that's the case, I probably need to change this into 3. Yeah, and that's so I can get a stair to work like that. I need to split that into 3 different body parts. And what's this? That's body here. For now, I'll do all the important stuff first, though. We'll go with arm now. Arm, left arm, arms. Get this thing. Change that to arm. Right arm. Although this is the left arm I'm doing here. And that one as well. Left leg. Okay. I'll click that. Change the translation to be up by 2 blocks, I think. 1 block. I think 1.2 because it's slightly above the. Yeah. And now scale. Change it to basically be the scale of the other thing. Did I just not? Yeah. Left arm. Move this thing back a bit. Translation is 0.7, we'll say. Not 0.3, 1.2. Let's move it out a bit more, I think. 0.8. Did that even go the right direction? No. We'll move it 1, so yeah, that was the right direction. It also needs to be down a bit, I think. And of course, in back more. And I think change these to 1s. Don't change these to 1s. 0.3, 0.3. 7. Maybe 6.5. I don't know. I don't know, maybe 1s was right. I'll try 2s because I really didn't think 1s was right. Yeah, kind of works. I think the rest of it needs to be smaller rather than that being bigger. Okay, now next one. Is the right arm. Oh. Okay. Like that. And I need to change the translation stuff, so it's the other side of the thingy. Yep. Should be 4 or 5. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna make him a lot more skinnier. That one. And out a bit more. Out the other way a bit more. It's that one. Not that much. I think I just actually scaled it back up a bit, I think. 0.4. And then... .4 and this one at like less than that. 3. Shit, more than that. How did I get one leg in front of the other? .4 should be the wrong way. I think 0.2 is right enough. I just need to figure out why I moved that leg, because I didn't mean to do that. Is that left leg or right leg? Honestly, I don't think I actually ordered them left and right. I think I just did, the first one was left, the second one was right. So let's kill them all and spawn them individually to figure out which one that is. 1, 2. That's the one that's in front. Okay. 0.3. 0.0. Maybe go the other way then. Minus 0.5. I'm changing the wrong one again, aren't I? I need to start labeling my cram blocks. Okay. Give. Yeah, so ask a sign. That was a hanging sign. I don't actually know how those work. Hopefully they're the same. I could just say body. This is the left leg. I might have chosen the most annoying type of sign to go with. That'd be right leg. Right leg. It doesn't even show on the back. Come on. Left arm. Right arm. Okay. Now the left leg should be 0.0. Try that. Kind of right. Yeah. We'll say that's right for now because I don't want to do it again. Right leg. That one's also ahead. Right. 0, 0, 0. No wonder it's not right. I never changed it. Oh, 0.25. Move them both back. Like 0.5. That didn't really do anything to it. Why can't I find it? Would it be 0.15? That's half of 3. That was scale. God damn it. 0.15. 0.1? I swear I tried that. That's good enough. Yeah, 0.1. Why are they different? Have I been changing the wrong value? However. Boop. Boop. And then I'll do the head. Not really sure I'm gonna do the eyes. I might just make completely new textures for everything. Okay. For a head. Head. And then body. No, head. Still. Just different value. Alright. Head. Now that should be up 3. Not 30. 3. A bit wider than that, I think. I reckon it's about the right height though. 5. 5, except that one stays at 2, I think. They're all at least at 4, I reckon. With length. How big's 4? Yeah, that looks much more right. Because I said it all at 2, and that's definitely not right. I'll change that to 5 because that's one higher. Maybe that's why it's all looks wrong. Yeah, I changed it back to 4. Okay. Translation 2. Put a minus there. Minus like 4. That's too high, isn't it? That's gotta be too high. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't change that from the legs, did I? Higher than that though. About 1. Yeah, that works. I think I maybe shrink that bit. Let's make the hitbox match. Because even though it can't take damage by hitting it, you should still be able to hit it. Data modify entity at S height set value 3. There we go. That looks ugly. But I guess it works. I think I probably do take that down. Which would be... This is legs. I need arms. Do I do that? I don't want to do that. What if I change it to a stair instead? Name. If I change it to a stair, I'll need to retexture it a lot. And unfortunately, there aren't any unused stairs in Minecraft. Which means I'll have to replace an existing block. Acacia stair apparently doesn't exist. Why do you not want me to do an acacia stair? Is it stairs plural? Yeah, okay. So if I wanted a stair, that looks like that, which is what I want. What are the data values for this? Facing west, half, top, shape, straight. That should be in properties, I think. Oh, over here. Properties, I believe it's capitalized. And hope this works. Kill them first. Alright, boop. 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 That works, great. Doesn't look good. That's probably what I need to work on now. What I might do is actually add a layer of glow lichen. Because at the moment it looks like it needs glow lichen, and why am I using sand for this? Glow lichen. I don't see it. Is that what glow lichen's called? Am I stupid? Glow lichen. Glow underscore lichen. Glow underscore lichen. That's right. I guess. No, it'd be here, wouldn't it? Should be visible. Slash time set day. Whatever, I'll add it to the texture afterwards. Because now we're gonna, first off, move that into a, okay, first off, make sure it actually moves correctly. slash execute as at a type equals tag equals creaker mover at s run tp at s bloop 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 facing entity at p. Okay, wait, actually slash kill at e type equals interaction, because at the moment there's more than one of them. And then do I have a summon command anywhere? I don't. Summon interaction tags equals creaker mover. Yep. I didn't want it spawning that already, but oh, come on. I'll TP it over here, slash and TP at S bloop. And then run that actual command. Okay. That's the datapack problem. Not for me right now. And I'm hoping you can't hear that. But my brother just decided to start playing the clarinet. So I'm gonna make a folder, a file or whatever, called, not in there, in here. No, it just needed to be a file. And I'll call it summon creaker. Creaking, even. God damn it, I named it all wrong. And I'll just paste all of this command in here. All of the summons go in here. All of the other commands go in tick, because they're in a repeating command block. Kind of wish there was a way to automate this, but it's not. Nothing crazy. Okay. Get rid of the slash. And put the other stuff in here. Including whatever this is. And then this. Boop. Boop. Now, I think the big problem with this coding bit, I'm not doing the coding bit now, I'm going to do the textures now, and then coding bit afterwards. But with the coding bit, the big problem is going to be how to detect if I can see the thing, because that's difficult. Did I just copy paste something? Whatever. Okay. So now just to double check this bit works, I'm gonna load up a new world, open the data pack, and just run the summon creaking command. Because at the moment it's not gonna work because I haven't named it the right thing. The file the right thing. And I can't type, so I'm not gonna be able to. Damn it. I don't need that bit. Why can't my Visual Studio Code rename files? I hate that. Creaking. Data. Minecraft. tags function, change that to say creaking. Creaking. There we go. VSC. Go away. So that should work now. Creaking. Paste. Alright. So it should just be function. Something's wrong. What? Oh, I don't think you're allowed spaces in functions. Damn it. Okay, try again. Find that world, because I don't want to remake a new one. Datapack, delete. Control C, Control V. Reload. Now I should be able to function summon creaking. Why didn't it work? Oh my god, I kept the chords. Damn it. And obviously that place wasn't loaded. Change that to tilde, tilde, tilde. And go again. There we go. Just as beautiful as I remember him. Alright. I might change those acacia wood because I'm going to make a resource pack for it. I might change the acacia wood to command blocks or something. Something that you'd never find in the wild. Obviously, I can't really do that for acacia stairs. But I'll find some really obscure stair to replace. For now, we need to make a texture. And to do that, I think I'm just going to steal the acacia wood texture and remove its color. Because that's really all this is. Where are you? That's not the right thing. I need to open up versions 1.20 and actually go into the files to get the texture. It's... Let me... Okay, there we go. Assets, Minecraft, it's textures. Blocks. Block, right up there. And then it's... acacia wood. Log. Okay. I think the play is to just put on a monochrome filter onto it. I'm not it doesn't really use monochrome colors. I'll just put some, what am I looking for, hue on it. Is that what it looks like? I think it's a bit redder, but that might just be the effects they put on it. Can't really see it in there. I'll use that for now. I need to make a resource pack for this. I can freeze, that makes sense. Creaking textures, block. It looks a bit too much like an acacia but that's kind of what it was anyway. I might like scale it up a bit because it looked a bit more like this. Not like that, but like kind of like how it looks before it starts giving the effects. But we'll go with that for now. PNG. Oh, where am I looking? Alright. Cool stuff. No, in resource packs, damn it. In Creaking. Assets, Minecraft, textures, block. That's not what I wanted. Oh, that is what I wanted. Is that the save? Nope, there we go. And I think I want that as command block. And the reason I've already said this, but the reason I'm changing the command block is because you can't really find those in the wild. But the command block's actually a stupid one to do since it's all one texture. So instead I'm gonna rename it to... What's a block you can't see in general Minecraft that's all one thing? It's a... jigsaw block, I think? I think jigsaw block is all one solid texture. I'll have to look that up. Jigsaw, nope, okay. Let's get a list of those types of blocks. Slash, creative mode. That one. Structure block, that's what I was thinking of. Of course, yeah. Structure block. Double check the structure blocks. Okay, there are multiple, but that's like different block states of the same block, so I can get away with that. And so change acacia wood to structure block. And acacia stairs is a bit more difficult, because obviously this is a list of all of the items that you can't get into vanilla Minecraft. And there's no stairs here, weirdly enough. So for stairs, ideally I want a block that doesn't reuse another texture, which all of these do. Because if they reuse a different texture, there's not actually a texture file for it. But there is a model file. And what that does... honestly, I'm not sure. Because I thought it was there. It might not be a model file. Damn it. Is it block models? No. Let's find the word stairs somewhere. Damn it. Okay. I'm in textures, it's models over here. There we go. Blocks. Acacia stairs. And for that, I can redirect it over to be a different block instead. But to be honest, I'm lazy, and no one has ever used... I'm willing to bet no one has ever used polished stuff tears. Polished tough stairs ever. So I'm just going to retexture that instead. And polished tough. Is what I'm going to be replacing. And change that to polished tough stairs. Alright. Now resource pack. Find the creaking, which would be under C. Creaking. And of course that's not gonna work because I haven't replaced the data pack. And you've broken. Oh. Some creaking. And I didn't reload. Some creaking. Actually, this time didn't put the resource pack on. I put the resource pack on. So why does it look like that? I'll try reloading the resource pack. Why does it look like that? What's the problem here? I'll try opening this up in VSC, see if that finds a problem, but it shouldn't because it's PNGs, and I don't think Visual Studio Code knows how to debug PNGs. That just doesn't make a lot of sense. Creaking, there you are. What is that? Did that work? Oh. Why does that work? Because that's a texture from the old data pack which I reused. So why would that work? And not all of this. It's not even getting the stairs, so it's not like a structure block problem. Oh wait, no, it did get the stairs. Oh yeah, never mind. It is a structure block problem. Give yet to ask structure block. Yeah. So one of these textures. What? Why is it like that in my item, in my inventory, but not like that? I feel like this was a terrible option. I need to rename it to structure block load, I think. Structure block underscore load. There we go. That still looks ugly, but now we know it works. I think I want to make the darks more darker, which I think I can just do that. That made it very dark. Boop, boop, and then make the lights a bit lighter. Not that light, like that, 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 that one. See, I think it's meant to look light rather than dark. Let's see my reference images. That's toned up a bit. It is meant to look dark, yeah. So just boop, boop, like that. That could work, sure. PNG, yes, yes. And then also to save it as that one. And that one. Now let's see what this looks like. Too dark. I could have probably told you that without putting it in the game. Why did it take that long? Just go like that. Honestly, that might be it. PNG. PNG. Boop, boop. Okay. There you are. 3T. Good enough. I think. That looks scary, right? Kind of. Oh, I do need to replace the head though. Because the head should be a command block. Which is retextured to look like her head. And it's a command block because they have multiple sides. So I can have a face on one side and not have it repeating on every other side. Problem is I can't remember what each side of the command block's called. Command block. I'm on models. Textures, block, command block. It's back, front, side. And for back and side, I just want it to be the same texture again. But for the front, it's going to be a bit difficult because it's the bright orange eyes. It's going to be like that, that, and that. The problem is the texture is stretched. I'm going to make it like a bit darker on the outside. The problem is the texture is stretched when it's like that, so I'm gonna do some different layer actually. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, I mean I've already overridden it, so I might as well just do it like this. Oh, for God's sake, I need to do it all again. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. Call that command block front. Okay. F3T. I need to change the head to actually be a command block. That's a good call. Let's go back to recent data packs. Not data packs, I need to be a bit further than that. Data packs season 2. Okay. I haven't actually checked I'm actually live on the right channel, because it did make me like reload into everything. So as far as I know, yeah, I know it works. That's a terrible thumbnail. Alright. So I need to change... What do I need to change? Oh yeah. head in summon. Change to command block. And then load the new data pack. There we go. I'd like it to be glowing, but I don't think there's actually a way to do that. So, texture's done. I didn't actually mean to switch this screen, but this works. I can talk to you like that. What is that? That's not really meant to be there. Anyway, now that that's done, I've got, so we've done the textures, we need to do the code. I haven't updated that. I'll say model and texture. Done. I don't like how that's off center. Now doing behavior. Alright. Now coding behavior. Alright. So I'll mark all this off as appearance. Now I don't want to add the biome. I just don't. So I'm gonna need to pick a biome for it to spawn in. And honestly, birch forest might be a good call. Not just because I'm already in one. Kind of because I'm already in one. But I'll probably be using a different world for that anyway. But it also kind of looks the same. How do I want to do that then? Also, what even is the point of the creaking? It doesn't... Does it hurt you? Because the village and news segment in there definitely showed it killing stuff. The rest of it didn't. I don't... Obviously, I didn't watch most of it. Like, that is quite a big disadvantage I have. I didn't actually watch the Minecraft Live. But I think I've seen enough. Like, I haven't actually seen it hurt anyone. So only the animated villager news thing is what's saying maybe it hurts people. Which is still an official thing. Like, it definitely is shown to kill stuff. So what actually is its behaviour? Because I guess it probably only hurts you when you look away, right? Because the big thing right now is to figure out how to know when it's looking at it. That's the one thing I can't figure out at the moment. That one. So, brainstorm. This is me. Not sure why I'm fat. and the creaking guy is here. That's what he looks like. If I look at him, or if he's anywhere within my frame of vision, he doesn't move. But if I'm looking over here, how do I do this? That. Over here. How do I flip it? If I'm looking over here, he does move. So, how do I detect that? At the moment, I think I know maybe how to detect if I am looking directly at him. And even then, it's like a whole convoluted marker situation where I just spawn markers in front of me and see if it finds one. Now what I could do, theoretically, is spawn markers like all the way around here, and if it hits that guy, it works. That would be so laggy. I'm not doing that. So, because that would require so many markers updating every tick. That's just a stupid way of doing it, and I won't do it. The next option, which is probably a bit more reasonable. It's still got the marker situation, but it's just one marker, moving every tick forward, and in a radius around it. It detects if it's there. Now the problem with that is if there shouldn't be two of them. If I'm looking that way and the marker's going out this way, the radius could still reach behind me. So this isn't as much a way to detect if I'm looking at it than if it's close to me. I think a way to fix that that audio output's worrying me. A sec. No, it's fine, that's music. I think the way to fix that would be get my X value or Y value, get the value of the marker, and detect the change to see if I'm going positive X or negative X. Like if the way I'm looking this way is positive X or negative X. And then get the creaking, get that X value, and see if that value is in the other direction, I guess. Because if it's going X minus, and that's X positive, that means it's behind me. I think that makes sense. So, how do I do this? Well, looking detection. Execute as at A. That's all players. I'm gonna need a scoreboard. I'm gonna need a lot of scoreboards actually. But the first one is just to detect when it needs a new marker timer. Dummy. And every tick, this will go up. Object players, add S, marker timer 1. I'm actually gonna add my little diagram. Do I have to paint up? No, I deleted the diagram. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste that. Because this whole scene sucks, but I like that bit. So I'm gonna Control C, Control V, that down here. There we go. You can tell what that says, right? No, you can't. Whatever. It's good enough. You don't really need to be seeing what's down there anyway. Not at S, at A. Execute as at A, at S. I'm gonna say if there's a creeker nearby, at a tag equals creeker mover, distance equals 100. So if it's within 100 blocks, this will run. That's radius, so it's 200 blocks, whatever. It's not how radius works, but you get the idea. Run if score at S marker timer matches 1. Run summon marker tags equals line of sight. Execute as at a tag equals line of sight. Do I want to do the X chords first? I think I want to do the X chords first. Not just X chords and Z chords. X chords dummy. Z chords dummy. Do I care about the Y chords? I should probably care about the Y chords, yeah. Okay, now this is maths. I don't really like maths. But add a tag equals line of sight. Add FS. Store result score at S. X chords run data get entity at S. Pause 0. And then do the same for the player and for the creeker mover. I'm not going to stop calling it the creaker. The creaking gets confusing. So it's the creaker, but it literally sounds like the most famous thing in Minecraft. But hey, next. Need to do the same for the Y and Z. So it's not even creaker, it's creaker mover. And those three, boop, boop. Pause 1, pause 1, pause 1, pause 2, pause 2, pause 2, and Y Why? Z. Why did I put... I wish I didn't put this all the way over there. Z. There we go. Alright. What was I gonna do with that? Yeah, execute as at E. Tag equals line of sight. At S. If entity. This will be designed for single player because it will get so confusing in multiplayer. If entity at S. No, I don't really want that, do I? Store results, score. No, I do want it if score at S is greater than. Oh, no. If score at S X chords is greater than at P X chords. So if it's X is bigger than the closest player's X, which would be you if it's single player, then how do I want to do this? Do I use a tag or a scoreboard? I'm gonna use a scoreboard. A tag, sorry. Damn it. Plus X. Would it be plus X actually? If it's is bigger than mine, yes, it would be plus X. Minus X. And do that. And I think I'm just gonna do this all in a notepad, because if I do it in a notepad, I can take the X, turn it to Y. Automation. Never mind, I got IQ'd. Damn it. And then change X to Z. And now I've got execute. Execute. There we go. Okay. What do I do with that? Execute as at E. Tag equals line of sight. I actually need to move the line of sight so it actually looks forward. TP at S. One. I also need to change the line of sight's rotation to match mine, because otherwise I would be facing this way, and if I don't line the sight up, the marker could go that way, and it would not be looking as the way I am. That's caused so many problems in the past because I forgot to do it. So I should do that. I hope you could hear me. I've never really talked that far away from the microphone. As at E, tag equals line of sight. If no, not an if. Actually, I should have it as an if so it doesn't start looking around corners. If the closest player spawn timer. Actually, I'll call it marker timer because I've already got that. Then it's a spawn timer. If score at P marker timer. Matches 1. Run summon. Don't run summon. Run data modify entity at S. Pause. 0. No, rotation. Sorry. Rotation 0. Set value. No, set from entity. Closest player. Rotation 0. And repeat that for rotation 1 as well. Okay. Test this works. I might be best to put a particle on it. I don't know. There is a marker timer. Did I actually spawn the marker? Because I didn't see the tag for it. Oh, no. Well, so I should also do that. That was the wrong bit. That was the important bit, the one bit I missed. There you go. Paste that. Okay. Scoreboard players reset at S marker timer. Now where did I spawn the things? Because this was this world. I'll just spawn another one. Slash summon creaking. It looks so bad. Every time I see it, I realize how bad this model is. God damn it. Also, didn't work. The marker timer is not going up. Creaker. Oh, I didn't actually put the mover in the summon command. Why didn't I do that? I probably forgot. That would make sense. It's that one, I think. Yeah. Let's go get that command. That is like the important one, so I'm kind of annoyed I missed that. Oh, that was wrong. Well, I'm so good at this. That one. Datapacks. Boop, 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 boop. Kill all of the blocks plays. Yeah, now it works. Plus X minus Y. X minus Y. Was that the direction I was looking? I don't know, I'll restart the timer. look in a completely different direction. Do it again. Markers are invisible, so it doesn't really look like I'm doing much. Okay, let's add a particle to show the... I don't need a change the data pack for that, / give command block. Execute as at E. My keyboard switched to Japanese. There we go. Weirdly frequent problem. Tag equals line of sight, I call it. At run particle, angry villager. And now if I do it again, it does go in the right direction. Yeah, great. / get rid of the spamming chat. It's command block output false. Okay. Tag ATE, make sure this bit works. There should be one of each. Yeah. Kill ATE type equals marker. Okay. Double check the tags. Good. So, if I look this way, it should go X plus X minus Z. I don't care about the Y. I think it'll be plus Y as well. That wasn't right. This way goes plus again. Okay. Kind of concerning. Let's go this way. There should at least be minus Y. If it's not minus Y, something's wrong. Minus. Okay. If I go up here, it should be minus plus minus. Plus minus. That's right, yeah. No, it just changes the order, because plus is a bigger letter than minus. That makes sense. Okay. Execute as at E, tag equals line of sight, at S. Okay, what I want to do now is figure out how to So I'm here. Actually, no. First, I'll just do a bit of debugging to figure out how to actually detect when it's there. So it would be if entity at a tag equals Creaking Mover at s, if score at s. But now I'll just do that with the distance bit. Distance equals ... 10. So yeah. I want to, after like 60 seconds, I want to kill off the marker and spawn a new one. 60 seconds is way too long. 60 ticks is still 3 seconds, which is still kind of long. 20. Execute as at A if score marker timer matches 20, run kill at E type equals tag equals line of sight. I could do type equals marker, but if they're using this with other data packs, it wouldn't work. It would kill other stuff, because this is all I'm using a marker for, but other people might not. And then run scoreboard players reset at S. Line of sight. Not line of sight, sorry, marker timer. I should say 20 or more, so it works right now. Otherwise it wouldn't matter, I just don't. How much is that range? Can it see it from over here? Yes. That's good. Can it see it from over here? Yes. Can it see it over here? No. But honestly, if it's moving off in the corner of your eye, that's probably scarier, right? It's like seeing Foxy in FNAF. Running down the hallway. So how do I want to actually make it know that it's being looked at? I could do a tag, but that would unless I constantly remove the tag, that wouldn't really work. I think I'm gonna have to constantly remove the tag though. So at the moment, if I'm looking at the guy, the creaker or whatever, that's what it looks like. If I'm looking at him, I'll have a tag that says, I don't know, looked at. every tick, or I think every 19... No, every 20 seconds when the marker timer is on 19, or on 10, or whatever, I'm going to reset that tag. That way, if I'm still looking at it, it will re-add it. If I'm not, if I'm looking over this way, he will start moving. That's the idea. I'm not sure how well it will work. At S, run tag, at S add, no, tag at E, tag equals Creaking Mover. Actually, I don't need to do that. What am I doing? If I can just preface it with if and... Actually, no, I don't really want to do that. I think it's better to do it like this. I'm not showing my screen. There we go. Execute as at E, tag equals exclamation mark spotted. I think I'll do the running code, the walking code in a different function. Creaking walk. Run function, creaking walk. And if you look at it, it just stops moving. Execute as at E tag equals creaking at S if score at P marker timer matches, we'll go with 10. I kind of want this above that code though. That way if the marker is there, it will immediately reapply it. Run. 10 might be too much. I'll go 5. Tag at S, remove, spotted. Or I can just do if entity at E. I could just add that line in there. This way. Check the tags. Yeah, they're spotted. If I move this way, it's still got the tag spotted. Right, okay. Did I reload it? Actually, that might have been using the old. No, the old code doesn't have the tag spotted in it. I'll retry anyway. Tag at T list. Spotted. And that should not be spotted. Okay. Is it checking its own marker timer? No, it's not. It's checking the closest player. It's not tag equals creaking though. It's tag equals Creaking Mover. There we go. Delete. Paste. Alright. Check tags. Doesn't have the tag in anymore. And now it does. And now it doesn't. Great. So just to double check everything. this is what he would say if it was working. Yep. Oh, that's for every mob. Yep. I didn't think I'd need to test that. I'm glad I did. Yeah, that's just checking everything that doesn't have the tag spotted, which is everything. Tag equals creaking mover. There we go. Yeah. And look at him. And oh, this is what. That's also what I was worried about. Not showing the right screen. Why is it showing that screen? I'm not on that screen. Now I'm on that screen. There we go. See, the problem here is, obviously, if I'm not looking at it, it's going to say, hey, I'm going to get you. But if I look at him, step back a bit. Do you see the problem? The marker is dying too quickly. I think I need 2 markers. I'm not really sure I'm gonna do that. Sort equals furthest limit equals 1. And then I'm gonna spawn a marker timer at 1 and then at 10 as well. Where am I spawning them? There it is. That one's not going in the right direction. Why isn't that one going in the right direction? If score, there it is, yeah. I'm going to need a spawn timer. And this, if you look through any of my code, there's a good chance there's an objective called spawn timer in it. I'm honestly surprised it took this long for me to add it to this one. And what this does is it's just every tick something spawns, it goes up 1. And that's for every mob. I did that so fast and it was so correctly wrong. Scoreboard. Players add at S spawn timer 1, and now I'm gonna take a drink. I don't have much water in here. I normally fill it up before I start streaming, but I couldn't today. Because I wasn't planning on streaming, really. Yeah, we've got the spawn timer. So now instead of if score at P marker timer, I'm going to do if score at S spawn timer. Probably just for those ones. There we go. Now they're all accurate. And no matter how far away I go, he doesn't start saying he's gonna get me. But if I look away, he starts getting me. Great. Okay. Where do I go from here? Oh yeah, actually make him get me. Execute as at E. Also, I feel like the creaking just won't work in multiplayer, right? Like, how do they do that? Like, surely you could just have one looking in one person looking in one direction, the other person looking the other, walking backwards, and you win. I don't really even know what the point of the pale forest is. Tag equals... It just seems like a biome that you could just avoid. It doesn't seem like there's anything interesting in there. Apart from the creaking, which you're better off just avoiding. Okay, execute as everything. Tag equals... I mean, it should already be working as that. As at S, and TP at S, facing entity at P. It's not going to be that simple, because you need to take into consideration the terrain. It's, if I stick with this, it's just going to walk through blocks. But for now, I'm going to stick with this. I do already have pre-written code for when I've made mobs in the past. So, look away. And it's disappeared. Where have you gone? Do I need an ATA-S? I probably need an ATA-S. I think that TP to 0001. Slash TP at S000. Let's see if I'm right. I wasn't right. Damn it. Now I don't know where I am. Wasn't this an ocean seed? Oh no. This is literally just where I was. Does it still exist? Somewhere, yeah. TP at S at T, tag equals creaker, limit equals 1. Where's that? 000. Yeah, that makes sense. It's just on the surface instead. Is he moving? He is moving. Oh, okay, this is the problem I was worried about. See, because it's a radius around where I am, it thinks I'm looking at it. I'm pointing at my screen now, you can't really see that. And, like, technically I am looking at it, but only because I'm in F5. I don't think it takes into account F5, I'd be very surprised if it did. So, this is the stuff I didn't want to do. You remember when I described before this thing? Now, I realise it's such a good depiction of what I'm trying to say that I probably don't need to explain it. You should probably just be able to guess everything I'm talking about just by looking at this image. But, just to go over it again, because I've kind of forgotten. This is me. Facing that way. This is the marker that's showing that I'm facing that way. And this is the creaker. Now what the marker does is he gets a radius. And that radius is really helpful when it's over here, because it can figure out if there's that thing in my line of sight over here. The problem is, when it's over here, that radius covers behind me. So, the creaker can move forward. But once it gets here, it's gonna think I can see it. Then it stops moving. Which means it's not gonna do anything to me. Now, the previous way I tried to do this, which I might still go for, is I took the X coords of the marker, me, and the thingy, and all the other chords as well, X, Y, Z, all of them. And then I could figure out which way I was looking, and then get that position relative to this to figure out if I could see it or not. I'm gonna be honest. That's a little too smart for me. I don't really know how to do that. So, I do have another suggestion. Another option. I kind of want to keep you actually. When it first spawns, it spawns around here, right? And the whole problem is that the radius is too big here. So it gets the guy. What if the radius was smaller here? And then when it moves over here, it gets bigger again. And something just fell in my room. And that's probably the best way to do it. It's literally just a case of moving the radius up every time the spawn timer moves up. Unfortunately, I have to do that manually because you can't actually do that. But that shouldn't be too hard. And I think I literally just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with every marker, with every bit of the marker timer. Or spawn timer, I guess it would be. So I'm gonna separate this bit from the rest of the code because it's so stupid. So it's gonna be execute as at E. Type equals marker at S. And TP at S boop 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 1. I've already done that bit. I'm not sure why I'm doing that. Instead, what I'm going to do is execute as marker at S if score at S spawn timer. Actually, I should see the distance bit. How much do I actually use distance? Is it just that line? I think it's just that line. Which means it should be fairly easy to just cheat. I'm gonna double check distance. I also use it up there, but I don't really care about that. Good. Okay, boop. So, find 10, replace with 1. And now, replace that with... So what I want to do is... just take this whole bit and add to the end of it the new code. So I'm gonna find 1, replace with ... 1. If score at s. Wait, this is just the click on. Why am I doing that? It's just that line that's important. If score at her spawn timer matches 1. Yeah. Whoa! Why is it doing that? It's like, I've never seen it do that before. What? I crashed Notepad. How did I do that? I am so powerful. Okay. Let's try that again, huh? I think I'll type this out manually, actually. If score at S spawn timer matches 1. I feel like it makes sense to swap these over. I don't think it actually makes any actual sense, but it makes sense to me. I don't think it makes it work more or less. Now, replace everyone with 2. Control C. Control V. Replace every 2 with 3. Control C. Control V. I didn't actually do it, did I? Yeah, replace every 2 with 3. 3 turns into 4. 5. 6. I am so good at counting. You know what's next? I reckon it's 7 next. Oh, what's after 7? 8, right? 8, yeah. Okay, 9. I need to do this all the way up to 20, damn it. 10. I don't actually need to do this all the way up to 20, do I? I can just automate this. It's not really going to work for the last one, but I can just... matches 1. I can just find matches, finger space, 1. I'm gonna need to fix that 10 or whatever. Distance equals ... change to distance equals ... 1. There we go, and I don't want to go up to 110, so I'll change that 10 to a 20. There we go. Alright. There you go. And it's not really working, is it? It's not really working at all, is it? Right, it's not spotted. It's just not moving. Oh, okay. I need to make my this hotkey something that isn't an actual button, because I keep pressing it and it keeps writing down the thing. I do also need to add gravity. That's a kind of big thing for a mob to have. I do already have code written for gravity. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna find my block tag. So I've got a block tag that lists every like solid block. I use it all the time. Problem is I can't think of where I use it. Make a mob. I've got everything I need in Make a Mob. Because that's literally a data pack I made to help make mobs. Get them out of Minecraft if you want. It's in there somewhere. And in here, we can do Minecraft, tags, blocks, non-solid blocks, there it is. I don't think I ever updated this to the latest version, whatever. Tags. Blocks. Non-solid blocks. There we go. And then, all I need to do is execute as at E. Type equals interaction. At S. Run if block -1. Air. No, not air. Hashtag, what's it called? Non-solid blocks. Then TP at S minus 0.5 we'll go with. Creaking. Why aren't you falling? Did I reload? I did reload, yeah. What's wrong with you? I should do tag equals you can move over, but that's not the problem. Has it actually figured out what a non-solid block is? That might be the problem. Execute. Oh, hello. Non-solid block. Hashtag non-solid block. Run. Say ah. So it hasn't figured out what a non-solid block is. But why hasn't it? I'm actually just gonna steal the code from make a mob. Never mind. Functions. It's behaviors above air, mid gravity. Is that not exactly the code I wrote? Tick. As at a tag equals creeper mover at s. You might actually be less than 0.5. Let's go up here. No, never mind. Okay. I am editing the right world, aren't I? Yeah, I am. I hate it when I have to check that. Oh wait, this might be right now. If it is right, I need to move you up a bit. But do you want a flower? There you go. It's moving backwards. That's a problem. How have I only just noticed this? I forgot I gave it a face. That's a really simple fix though, I think. I think it's literally just... Oh wait, no, I know what the problem is. Yeah, I know what the problem is. It wasn't what I thought it was, but it might also be what I thought it was. But the problem is I haven't actually made it move with the marker, with the interaction, which should be simple. I'm pretty sure it's just this code again, but for the head stuff instead. Tag equals creaker. Take out the spawn timer stuff. And set from entity at a tag equals creaker mover. And this way, it will look in the direction it's actually moving. Okay. Should work now. Oh! So I was right. It is going backwards. And I think it's at this point that I just need to change the properties to say facing the other way. I'm going to assume it defaults to facing north. So I'm going to add properties facing south. Kill at e tag equals creaker, and also the creaker mover. Normally I add a kill function, but I haven't done that yet. And now slash function summon creaker, summon creaking. Have I reloaded? I've reloaded, yeah. Function summon creaking. And you go in this direction. Oh, I need to look away, yeah. Yes, you do. You're still ignoring gravity. But other than that, you've got it. Why are you ignoring gravity? Gravity. Execute as at e tag equals creaker mover. That is spelled correctly, good. At our test, if block underneath it is non-solid, like air, then go down half a block. That makes sense, right? Why doesn't it work? It's such a simple thing. It's an exact line of code that's worked in the past. Maybe I move it so it's before the other TP commands. But what if I put it like right at the start? That could work. Boot. I didn't mean to do that. I also almost deleted it trying to find the hotkey. Deleted my whole data pack trying to find the hotkey. And it doesn't even work. Great! Up the values, because maybe it's fighting something else. No, it's not. It's just not working. Okay. Why? At A, tag equals creaker mover. At S, if block -1 non-solid blocks. Slash execute if block bloop 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 non-solid run say ah. Why does it think I'm in a solid block? Huh? Okay, let's go in here, which definitely isn't a solid block. I'm still saying ah. You don't know what a solid block is, do you? I'm gonna make a new world, because I think Minecraft kind of struggles with that when it's a pre-existing world with new block tags. Otherwise, I have no idea. I might actually have to check that everything in the block tags is correct. Damn it. Okay. If I had to guess, I've got the old name of a block. It's not short grass though. Short grass is fine. What's the problem? Maybe one of the tags don't exist. No, I'm pretty sure they exist. Maybe crops doesn't exist. Did they rename the large fern or something? Is there a small fern instead of the normal fern? No, that's normal. What is your problem? Minecraft tags block. I think it means data Minecraft Yeah, that's the problem. Not sure why it knew it was a tag at all then, though. But that should have fixed it, I think. I'm in a new world now. That one. Feedbacks, delete, paste, paste. Yes! There we go. Okay. And we're back on topic. Slash function. Summon creaking. And it fell to the ground. It's like... it actually fell to the ground. Yeah, that's because... it's... I made the white value face the way it's facing, and it always faces me. So... it should be fine now, yeah. I also needed to listen to the other type of gravity, which is pushing upwards out of blocks. I don't know if that counts as a type of gravity, but I think the rest is kind of alright. Like, I kind of like the fact it's looking up and down at me, because I feel like that would be really scary if you just turn around and it's like right on top of you, which is kind of the idea. So yeah, now I just need to make it go up one if it's in a block, which is literally just the exact opposite of this code. It's unless block, the block it's on, TP1. Oh, went up. I should have done that. Did I miss a block from the tag? Is it going? It's not going over the ferns, is it? Oh. Now all I need to do is do a damage command. And I think that should be it. Oh no, I still need to make a way to kill it. That's a big one, actually. Yeah. I think, first off, attacking should be in the walk function. Execute as at E tag equals creaking. At S if score at S. No. If entity at S. I think at E actually, because in the trailer it showed it killing villagers. And nothing actually spawns in a... what's it called? A plains, forest, white thingy. So... no, just if any entity distance equals 1, but I don't think you can damage block displays and it kills it. I hope it doesn't, because otherwise I have a bit of a problem. Damage at S. I think I've changed that if to an as. Do you not like that? Why didn't you like that? You should like that. Oh, no entity. And we'll go like 5. Oh, I thought I put it in the data pack already. That was a sweet berry. I don't think it's working. I'm gonna go out on a limb here. I don't think this is working. First off, why don't you think I'm looking at you? There we go. I'm gonna add an unless to the walking command. Unless entity at E distance equals 0.9. Oh yeah, itself. I need to say, other than itself. There we go. I remember my hotkeys. Come on, come on. You can do it. Why does it stop working? Oh wait, that means tag equals not nothing. Whoops. That was exactly what I didn't want. There we go. And then you need to hurt me. You're missing that bit. Maybe I change it to within 3. I did actually write this in a really awkward way. I should instead do if entity at E distance equals 3. And then I need the entity back. Entity at E distance equals 3. Tag equals exclamation mark. Go away! Okay, there we go. Why? Come on! Hurt me! Damage at E sort equals nearest, tag equals nothing. Oh, yep, did it again. Whoops. Limit equals 1. And try again. And needs to not be looking at me. Okay. Still not working. Why is it working? We'll change that to say app. That way, we'll know if it's which bit isn't working. Okay. That didn't really tell me much. Execute as at E, tag equals. I don't think that should really fix it, but that's kind of a distinction I should make. Let's get rid of the tag equals. What is your problem? Is it set to not do creaking walk if something happens? Could it be spotted? It's not spotted. It's kind of creepy actually. Then suddenly got much less creepy. What is your problem? Okay, let's remove a couple of things. A couple of requirements. Well, that's the only really important requirement I can remove. Okay. And damage. Get rid of the tag equals. Change the damage command to a say command. Change creaking to creaking mover. Oh my god, I called it the creaker mover. God damn it, I knew that would come back to me. Okay. Come back to haunt me. Now, try this again. There we go. Okay, great. Ow, my throat. Been talking a bit too much. Now, how does the heart work? Because that's something I've kind of just been completely ignoring. I have in my notes, I did take notes, that it looks like brown dye stuck onto wood. That's kind of all I wrote. So I'm gonna try using an item display for this. If I can summon item display. My keyboard is in Japanese again. Great. Why is this a problem? Why is this a problem I'm frequently facing? It only seems to like when I stream as well. I guess that's the only time I've been coding recently. Tags equals. No, I won't. Item. I think item's actually lowercase. Name. No, ID. Brown dye. Is this how item displays work? I don't know. No, it's not. Oh. Is that a mansion? No. I thought that would be crazy if that was a mansion underground and I just never saw it. Yeah, what was it doing? How do item displays work? Again, I'm going back to make a mob to figure this out. Because I actually automated all that here. I automated everything in here. Where is... Actually, this might be the worst one to check for items. Item displays. What else do I use an item display for? try just capitalizing it now. Tiny people's item display, cool. AI escape room. I don't think I used an item display here, but I know I used a lot of items. And actually, that's in the old version. Items don't really work like that anymore. I'm just gonna get the wiki up. And search for item display. Okay, it's just all display. Item display is item lowercase, ID, also lowercase. Brown dye. Yep, there we go. Does it really look like that? Do we have what was it called? Creaking and Creaking Hearts. Not really. No, it didn't look like that at all. Okay. That kind of does. I can see it. Also, I can actually get a decent image of the creaking. It's not that decent, but I was kind of close. Oh, hello. So, how do I want to make this? Because yeah, the Creaking Heart's what spawns the thing, not the other way around. If it is placed between two aligned pale oak logs, it activates. Okay. I think it is actually creepy. I forgot it moved. Yeah. Slash. I reckon. I know this isn't how it's going to work in game. But I think I should make it just any block can be a heart. And it like gives off particles. And how I do that, it's a lot simpler, and also I can't add custom blocks. Not through data packs. So I'm going to do this instead. Creaking Hearts, what's it called? Execute as at E, tag equals Creaking. At S, if score at S spawn timer matches 1. Run summon marker. Tags equals heart maker. As at E tag equals heart maker. I needed to find a block. I might just make it the block it spawns on. TP at S -1. If block is non-solid. And then if it is a solid block, I'll give it an extra tag called blocked. And if that has a blocked tag, you can't see anything I'm doing, can you? That's why I made this one. It's a stupid scene, but it means you can see what I'm doing. Well, it's not that bit, doesn't it? There we go. So I still have that. Oh, whoops. Let's do that. There it is. I shouldn't have. I should have taken out that watching Minecraft Live ages ago. Anyway, that tag is blocked, and if the tag is blocked, if it has the tag blocked, we make it so it can't move. Also unless block air or non-solid blocks or whatever. Execute as at E tag equals heartmaker at S run tag at S add no as at E tag equals blocked at S if entity if block I'm almost done, it's fine. my brain's going mush. Run function. I'm gonna make a new function that just kills the creaking, because otherwise it's like three commands. And I don't really want to divide that out 3 times. Kill creaking. Hashtag. Not hashtag rule. Kill creaking. And this is just kill at E tag equals creaking kill at E tag equals creaking mover. Except I didn't call them that, I called them the creakers. And we're sticking with that name. Apart from with the functions for some reason. Okay. Yeah, I'm almost done. Still going. I'm still going. It'll be done in a minute. And after that, what are we doing? Yeah, I just need to find a particle that looks good through a block. Oh my god, go away. And I don't know my particles too well, so this might take a while. Particle, ideally I want something brown as well. Slash time set day. I think ash isn't one, apparently. Okay, what is armadillo? That's why it wasn't one, I did summon. Slash kill. I was like, what is the armadillo particle? Ash. I think ash goes down, doesn't it? Not up. Yeah. It's also not brown. What would be brown? Composter, I believe, is green. Yeah. Effect. No. What is a brown thing in Minecraft? There aren't many. What is infested? Could work, but like in the sense it's infected rather than in the sense it looks like the right thing. What's a scrape? Tiny. Insignificant. Mycelium. That is so small. Imagine that's what you had to find. Sweet. No. Why is this dude talking about? Oh. That could be cool if I could change the colour, but I don't think I can. That's just item in general. Item in general is one. Apparently it's not a one. Okay. I might go infested. Yeah. Actually, I need to make sure that's visible through the block. Oh, -1, I mean. Yeah, kind of. Not as much as I'd like. I could just make it, do it up one block, but... No, because you see it from the side normally, don't you? So, that wouldn't work. I need, like, a big one. Dust's one of the special ones, isn't it? Where you can like type in the colour, but I don't know where you type in the colour. So I don't really know how that works. That's probably the best option though. Probably not going to be what I'm after. Oh, for God's sake, it's the colour ones again. Like, I think if I'm going to find a brown one, it's going to be through colour, but I also don't know how the colour ones work. So, current down, No, that's a water one. That's not going to be brown. Egg crack. Warp spore. That works. It's a bit too distant, I think. No, if I do it every tick, I'll try it. Execute as at E tag equals blocked. Add a test. Run particle. Reload. And summon creaking. And now we'll let it move around and lose where the thing is. Then I walk over, see how easy it is to spot. I think it's that one. It's not that one. Is it that one? Is it that one? There we go. Oh no, it's still... Oh, I didn't actually make it kill itself, did I? I should probably include that bit in this one. Kill at E tag equals... what do they call it? Blocked, I guess. I know there's another name for it, but whatever. And that's all of it, I think. Right? Oh, we're ending on style. I don't play with my headphones on. Yeah, well, I'll see you for the next stream, I guess. I don't know when that's going to be. It's probably going to be the Clash Royale stuff again. This was kind of a completely unplanned stream. I don't know how many of these I'm going to do. Maybe one day I'll do the new biome as well. The Pale Forest it was. Yeah, I remember that. Until then, I'll see you around. I don't think a single person ever joined the stream. Goodbye. Didn't leave my